said, what happened? What you niggas doing posted on the drive block? You leaving niggas wet, nigga. Straight up. That niggas posted on the drive block, you gonna leave a nigga wet. I'm gonna leave a nigga wet. I got the still shit gonna get real. I ain't gonna play with you, nigga. Niggas ordering Happy Meals and shit, nigga. I'm ordering a Big Mac, nigga. I come through with the Big Mac, dressing all black with the Mac back of the lap. You know what I'm saying, nigga? Town business. Ain't nobody else business but town business, you know what I'm talking about? Straight the fuck up, nigga. Understand what you're dealing with when you're dealing with what you're dealing with, pussy. Or else, nigga, get your shit up, drop. That nigga drop it. What, that bubble? Ah, man, that shit ain't about nothing. Keep it clean, nigga. Use sanitizer. Keep it clean, nigga. Hey, man, listen, man. I'm gonna tell y'all something slick, man. This what your bitch tell her to suck this dick. That's the shit, slick shit I was gonna spit. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, it's like this, nigga. Fuck suckers. I'm gonna sign out this bitch like a boss. Them niggas gonna sign out this motherfucker like a lost stars. Hey, nigga, knock a pussy nigga out of his drawers and get the plan. And K blow, nigga, I say so, nigga. And yeah, nigga, all that old shit, nigga. Talk slick, talk slimy, talk, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Fuck the suckers, though. Fuck the suckers. Fuck the suckers. Put them niggas on. Nigga, feel it, man. Understand. If bitch be on dick, nigga, don't cry, nigga. Stop lying if you saying you ain't crying, bitch. I know how hoe ass niggas is. Niggas pussy. Rookie ass nigga. Fuck suckers.